SLRX stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. This looks like it's not volatile enough. Salarius Pharmaceuticals, I mean, decent 30% increase in price. Again, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on mentors and courses, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically with this thing here, like when the chart was white, you know, the drawings were dark, so it's now kind of inverted. You can see I had proof. I have a lot of proof of me calling things down beforehand, like this short sell, and then my most recent prediction was me calling things down once it pumped up, and guess what happened? Delivered. And again, I'm not even trying to be this arrogant guy, because I do have the proof to back it up. This was made a month ago, 2 weeks into the year of 2025. You can see at the time I was sitting at $4.37, and guess what happened, man?
Obviously made money.
I said if there's a double break, I'm taking things lower. Now let me show you, like, again, because I have the proof.
In the meantime, if I see a double break, there's nothing stopping me from shorting this.
And it absolutely freaking delivered, man. Like, now we're here. It's starting to pick up yet again, but I'm not that surprised, because it's going to do such things. And I'm only really going to be intrigued in more short sells as long as I see a shift. If I don't, I'm just not going to short sell as of right now. So if you want to make more money trading simple way, just click the first link in the description. It's a lot of souls there.